So I want to talk a little bit about the journey within Ulta, the journey within our broader quality engineering team. I came into my current role, I've been with the organization for 13 years. I came into my current role 2.5 years ago. I had previously run digital development, had previously been on the business side of digital for a couple of years. I have always been a customer of quality. And January, February of 2021, found myself in the driver's seat for quality engineering. It was interesting. Where we are right now, we are a test execution factory. Anybody else call your organization a quality engineering organization and know that you're a test execution factory? That's where I find myself. I'm not satisfied with that. I believe my leadership has entrusted me with working our team outside of that test execution factory mindset towards an enabling mindset. Whether we continue to do the test execution or not, we need to build a sound, strong COE structure. We're going to run that. We're going to run it programmatically. We're going to automate. We're going to enable automation. We'll still deliver the test execution, but we're on a journey to something much more than sets of hands that build test plans, execute test cases, produce results, and drive through the defect cycle. So where is Ulta right now? And this would be really similar for 2021. 24 core systems. That's everything from our ERP that we'll talk about in a minute, to our point of sale, our digital platform, marketing platforms, warehouse management, merchandising, integration layers, reporting layers. So think about your stack, and you might have 100, 200, 500 applications total, and then you've got a core that in one way or another is the focus of your quality engineering. For me, it's about 24 systems. 8 testing teams, so it's all one team rolling up to performance, automation, and quality. However, those teams are segmented across roughly 8 portfolios that comprise those 24 systems and then some secondary and tertiary systems. So 8 testing teams, 15,000 regression test case library. That probably looks small to a lot of you. That's about where we are though. 3,000 new functional test cases every year. So how's that math work, right? 15,000, Ulta's been around for 32 years, a lot of change. 15,000 represents only about 5 years worth of new functional test cases. Well, that's the velocity of change, right? Every year, 1,500, 2,000, maybe more, test cases are dropping out of that 15,000 regression test case library. A lot of change, a lot of velocity. 30% automated. That's on paper. I'm not sure I would really buy into up to 30%. I think it's probably realistically lower than that. And maybe just a call out at the bottom, legacy frameworks, legacy investments, holding us back. Even that 30% that's automated on paper is probably not going to be sustainable 12 and certainly won't be 24 and 36 months into the future. The technology that is under test with that automated regression test suite will have changed too much, will have exited those products. Test frameworks through which we're automating will be deprecated. So again, probably similar to a lot of folks in the room, high velocity, challenging environment. You might be order of magnitude larger or more, you might be a little bit smaller, but a lot of change, and change not only in the technology we test, but of course, as has been said already, our customers want it done better and faster. They also want it done cheaper. They want it all, right? So we can't just remain complacent even if we modernize our tooling, even if we increase our automated regression test suite. We have to figure out ways of doing it better, or we're going to fall behind further.